Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our product title for the proactive workflow model for healthcare operation and maintenance. Okay, so this is our abstract. So first of all, the advances in real-time location have enabled us to collect massive amounts of fine-grained semantically rich location traces which provide unparalleled opportunities for understanding human activities and generating useful knowledge. So this is turn delivers intelligence for real-time decision making in various fields such as workflow management. Indeed, it is a new paradigm to model workflows through knowledge discovery in location traces. In this paper, we provide a focused study of workflow modeling by integrated analysis of indoor location traces in the hospital environment. Okay, and so this is our architecture for the healthcare management system, domains of data mining. So the data mining is the non-trivial extractions of implicit, previously unknown and potentially useful information from the data. So this is a data mining. So here the healthcare information system to be processed. Okay, so this is our flow diagram for the healthcare information system for the proactive. First one is the profile generation. So the profile generation means here three types of or three different uses to be processing as profile generations. So the first one is the admin, doctor and the patient. So here admin is the controller, he is maintaining for all records. Here admin is the being for all group members, so some processings to be maintaining for the admin. So next one is the doctor. So doctor is the monitoring for the patients. This is the patient information. So the patient is the just to view the medical informations and our details or reports or disease based information to be displayed on the patients. So next one the doctor. So the doctor is monitoring for the patients. Here the doctor is doing all process for the data mining process. So first one is the diabetic information based data set will be loaded. So after the data set will be loaded, the data is going to be pre-processed or remove null values. It's nothing but here the data set has any values to be null or any data or any field is to be unstructured data or null. The particular information is to be removed. It is called a removing null values or pre-process. So next the data is going to be clustered. So after the data clustering, the data is going to be classified for the different set of fields. Here the data classification, we are using the different machine learning algorithms. So the different machine learning algorithms based our classification of data. Finally the medical information is to be displayed. That means the cancer, the disease is called a cancer or diabetic or cholera or jaundice. So these are some disease based, what are those medicines to be used, so how much time to be cured for the particular disease information. So these are some informations based the doctors prescribing the patients. So finally the patients get the report. Okay, and now the demo section start for the healthcare information system. So this is the home page for the workflow model for healthcare. So when I click to home, it's go for next process. So the next one is the profile generation. That means it's the login page. So this is the existing user, so click to the new user. Okay, so the new username is Vino, address Patti Road, Mushiri, Trichy. Okay, so Mushiri. So it is Trichy. So this is our phone number. Okay, so this is our phone number. So this is the category. So the category is called patient. So this is the username as Vinod. So this is our password. So click to the register. So the register successful. So they successfully stored on the database. So come to the login. So we know. So the password is so click to the login. So this is the valid user, go ahead. So next one is the main menu process. So here always said I'm using the three process. So the here three users are crucial on the healthcare information system. So the first one is the admin. So click to the admin. So this is the admin menu for the view total users. So how many users are using in this management system, or how many users details are stored on the healthcare information system servers. So these are some particular users finally stored on the, so it's called Vinod. So that new user informations. So the particular user is valid there. So this is a remove user information. Suppose any user is there, the particular user informations are removed. Okay. So again go for doctor. So this is the doctor main menu. So now the doctor is going to be login. So that this is the doctor main menu. So this is the patient validation. So the patient validation means suppose any patient informations to be displayed. Okay. So finding disease informations. So this is the data mining process. So choosing the data set. So the diabetic data set. So go for next. So load. So patient report is successfully inserted on the database. So show the data. So go for next. So this is the status patient and the count. So next. So browse the data set. Diabetic information based data set. So give the supporting data, confidence, rule mining. So next again choose the symptoms based data set. Okay, symptoms. So supporting counting values, rule main, apply the rule mining. So go for calculation. So this is a high risk patient information. So the RPC is successfully stored on the database. That means the RPC means relative patients coverage. So this is the RPC record. So this is the relative records. So the overall records. So go for testing. So this is the real-time location based indoor and outdoor information. So this is the indoor location. So the results are classified. The particular informations are successfully stored on the database. Go for next. So these are some information based. So this is our patient's details, normal patient. So when the user is normal is no problem. Suppose I click to the user. So this is the abnormal patient. So here in this informations now we are prescribe in this case the doctor is prescribing some medicines or some procedures to the patients. So go for next. So this is a health information based, and this is the patient's category. Suppose the patient is normal, no problem. So this is the normal informations. So this is the abnormal case. Okay, so this is the case is going to be abnormal. So the particular abnormal, which are the users are come to the category as abnormal. So the particular informations are successfully stored on the database. So go for next. So this is the some disease and medicine names based informations to be described. So this is the disease name as cancer. So this is the medicine name as Avastin, Rituxan, Hemlock, Biodron. These are some informations to be described. So this is a find. So this is the information as called a cancer. So its name to be displayed. So go for this is a diseases cancer. So this is the medicine name and the manufacturer. So click to the go. So the go is going to be registered for the successfully displayed. successfully displayed. So go for next process. Okay, so go for next process. So then next click to the tablet menu. Okay, so this is a tablet menu. So choosing the disease name, and this name is diabetic. So this is the diabetic information, maintaining details, folder cards. So next one is the healthcare system for the patient report and patients. So mortuary ward, back to patient details. So this is the medicine names. Okay, so these are some information we will find. Go for others. Okay, so next we will click to the patient. Next we will click to the patient menu. Its process going. Okay, and so this is the patient menu. So this is the patient report. So the patient report based information is found. Counting. So next, this is the disease informations. So what are the some informations to be described? So these are some informations based. Diabetic information is cured. So now the demo is finished. Thanks for listening.